Tutorial video will cover how to use OfferingTree's new contacts management system. So the first thing you'll need to do is log into your dashboard, the back end of your site. After logging into the administrative side of your site, you can now scroll down and click on the Contacts tab, which you'll see under the Communications heading. Within Contacts, you'll now see a series of new options. You can create a contact, so this is where you manually enter a contact name as well as email address. You can also import contacts by clicking on Import Contacts. This is where you will locate a CSV file that you can then upload into OfferingTree's contact management system. So if you use Gmail or Outlook or maybe you even just have an Excel file sitting on your computer, as long as it's saved in the CSV file with standard formats, then you will be able to upload it into OfferingTree's system. Once you have a contact uploaded in the system, as you can see there's one here, you can actually filter the contacts by, for example, the offering. So if you only want to see contacts that signed up for a specific offering, you can choose that by filtering in this filtering field. Additionally, you'll see that if somebody joined your offerings or signed up for an offering, they're automatically added to this contacts list, and you'll see that there's a little lock section next to the delete. This is because they weren't manually added. This is because they actually were signed up for one of your offerings, so you don't want to delete them since they actually were a student or client of yours. And you'll notice that the little check mark means that they are subscribed to your newsletter announcements. The other ways that contacts can be added, in addition to if they sign up for an event of yours or an offering, they will also be added if they have sent you a message from your homepage. So if a student were to go down to the bottom and contact you, they will immediately be added to your contact list. Additionally, if on your homepage they click the follow button, this means that they're actually opting in to subscribe to your newsletters by adding their name and their email address. Then they'll also show up in your contact list. Once they are in your contact list, you will be able to then use the newsletter feature to send out announcements, and that's covered in a separate video that you can click on to watch more about the newsletter features. So I hope this video is useful to you as you explore the new contacts feature in OfferingTree, and we look forward to seeing what you have to offer.